Action. Okay, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors, opening up another tool for you guys. Zoom on in here, American Sanders. This is our big polishing. So, I don't know, several months ago you see us unwrap the big fancy vacuum. For some reason my wife is laughing. What's funny?
That was zooming weird. Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, we did that big fancy vacuum for you guys. Then we did the brand new Hummel. So this polishes the machine, buffs the machine. It's I don't know. Let's see what's underneath here. Hopefully I can do it without cutting off a finger. All right. Gonna have to get ugly. Christmas has come early. Woo. Come over here and zoom down in. Cross fit. Woo. Always throw the instructions away.
You're so aggressive.
We need this. Look at this bad boy. Y'all see this? Woo! So each of these gets a real fine sandpaper. So this will spin this way. This will spin the opposite way. Completely flat. No scratches. Beautiful. Beautiful. Got the regular belt there. Check this out. Check this out. Come on around here. This is a little skirt that goes on the bottom to help catches the dust. But here's the key. Sometimes we need to be more aggressive. Look at that. Look at the back. Little magnets on here, but we can add weight to put more pressure to sand more when we need to, take it off, sand less when we need to. Another big reason we got this big fancy highlight. The light shows the scratches a lot better. But yeah, you're gonna see this in action pretty soon. Anyway, stick around.